What is up, good people? This is James and welcome to another Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. Today we are going to learn how we can make reverse video in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you search on YouTube reverse video, then you will get a lot of interesting videos. Those videos are pretty fun to watch, right? So today let's learn how we can make our own reverse video. To make a reverse video, first just import the clip and drag it in your timeline. Then you will get a normal video just like this one. If I just play it back, this video is looking pretty normal, right? So let's reverse it and see how it looks. To reverse it, you just need to right click on this clip. Then you have to select speed and duration. Just click on it. Then you will get a window like this one. Then you have to just enable reverse speed. Enable it. Then click OK. And if you now play this video is not looking normal. It is playing in reverse. Pretty cool, huh? And using this technique, you can do a lot of creative things. Suppose you want to shoot a product and want to zoom on it, but it is really tough to nail the focus every time, right? What you can do? You can shoot the video in reverse. Start shooting from the ending point and then zoom out. When you are editing, just reverse the video. You'll get a pretty sharp looking video. So you can use this technique in a lot of ways. The possibilities are endless. So that's all for today. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, then you can give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, want to learn Adobe Premiere Pro or video editing, then you can subscribe to this channel to get more videos just like this one. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, goodbye.